Okay students, in this video I am going to explain exercise 6.5 question A part 6. Draw lines like this and write the number. Now make pairs. Before decimal we can see there is no pair. Now we will make pair after decimal. We will make pair after decimal from right side of decimal. There are two pairs. Now we have to choose a perfect square number which is equal or less than 6. There are some perfect square numbers: 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9. 3 square 9 is greater than 6, so we will take 2 square 4. 2 square 4 means 2 into 2, 4. Now subtract these, we get 2, and then cancel point from here and put point here. Now write the same number here and add them, then we get 4. Now we will write next pair 40, so the number will be 240, and then we have to include a number here, and by the same number we will multiply to get 240 or less than 240. So we will multiply 45 by 5, then we get 5 as 25, 5 for the 20 plus 2, 22, which is less than 240. And after multiplying 46 by 6, we get 6 is 36, 6 4s are 24 plus 3, 27. 276 is greater than 240, so we will multiply 45 by 5, then we get 225, and the same number we will write here 5. Now subtract these, then we get 10 minus 5, 5, 3 minus 2, 1, and then we will write next pair 0, 9. Now add these, then we get 50. Now we have to include a number here, and by the same number we will multiply to get 1509 or less than 1509. So we will include 3, and by the same number we will multiply, then we get 1509. 3 3s are 9, 3 zeros are 0, and 3 5s are 15. And after subtracting these we get 0, and the same number 3 we will write here. So the square root of 6.4009 is 2.53. Answer. Now we will solve 7th part of this question. To solve this, draw lines like this and write the number in it. Now we have to make pairs. Before decimal we will make pair from right side of from left side of decimal. One pair is 06, and after decimal we will make pair from right side of decimal. Now we have to choose a perfect square number which is equal or less than 5. So there are some perfect square numbers: 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9. 3 square 9 is greater than 5, so we will take 2 square 4. 2 square 4 means 2 into 2, 4. Now subtract these, then we get 1, and we will write next pair 0, 6. Write the same number 2 here. After adding these, we get 4. Now we have to include a number here, and by the same number we will multiply to get 106 or less than 106. So we will include after 4 2, and by multiplying same number we will get 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Or if we include 3, or by the same number we will multiply, then we get 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, which is greater than 106. So we will take 442, and after multiplying by 2 we get 84. Now we will subtract these, then we get 2 2, and cancel point from here, and the same number 2 we will write here, 2, and put point here. Now we will write next pair 25 and add them, then we get 44. Now we have to include a number here, and by the same number we will multiply to get 2225 or less than 2225. So we will multiply 445 by 5, then we get 2225. After subtracting these we get 0, and same number 5 we will write here. So the square root of 506.25 is 22.5 answer. Similarly, we will solve other parts of this question.